we are gonna make slime this week. Yay! We're gonna try something a little different, okay? So this week we're gonna make slime. If you want the easy slime, all you're gonna need is just some water, oil, any type of oil, any type of flour, and that's it, okay? But if you want a little harder one, it's gonna be a little bit more slimier, you are going to need glue. It can be the clear glue, white glue. You can use mousse or you can use shaving cream. Just a little bit of baking soda and solution. Okay, you're gonna need your solution. So this has borax, which is a B-O-R-I-C acid. So you're gonna need that, okay? Then you're gonna need a bowl to mix, or a plate, whichever one, and something to mix, okay? Let's get started. Hi friends, it's another week. Hi, I miss you all so much. Hugs, hugs, oh, hugs everywhere. All right, so this week, we're gonna make slime. Oh, yicky slime. All right, so today we have a very special guest. All right, are you ready to see her? Come on, guest, come on.
Look at my, let me show my iPad to them.
Oh, you have an iPad? Good job, but we don't need that now. Okay, what's your name?
Jada. And I like to make stuff for everyone.
You like to make stuff for everyone? So what are we making today, Jada?
Slime, guys. Do y'all want to make some slime?
We're gonna make some slime today. Yay!
Make sure don't make some sticky slime for you cry.
All right, so let's get started. All right, so first we're gonna need a bowl. Okay. Also gonna need some solution. Make sure it has borax in it.
No.
We're gonna need any type of glue. You can use this glue or you can use white glue.
Mommy, I want to use white glue.
No, we're gonna use a clear glue, babe, because we already have it here. And then this is optional. We're gonna use food coloring. What colors do we have, Jada?
Red, green, yellow, blue.
Good job.
I'm gonna add all of the colors.
You want to add all of the colors? Okay. And then we're also going to use...
That's my favorite part.
Yes, this is her favorite part. So we're going to also use... You can use shaving cream or mousse. I have mousse. Okay. And then...
Mousse?
Just a little bit of baking soda. All right.
No, a little bit.
Okay. Jada, can you grab the bowl?
Oh, bowl.
Yeah, we need the bowl.
Let's put the top off, guys.
Take the top off.
Put the top on and then put glue, guys.
Good job.
And then...
Okay, wait. How much glue do we need?
A lot.
Okay, so what do you do first to the glue?
Twist. And I can't take the top off.
We have to
Twist.
open. We are twisting, but we need to open it. And then we need to pour.
Hope it don't spill.
Watch your fingers.
Ah.
Okay, stop. All right.
Oh, don't let me spill on me.
So, okay. So we have our glue.
I don't like spill on me here.
Okay. So now,
Where's pop the bubbles?
can you ask your friends what color should we use?
What color we use? They tell us blue.
You think they said blue? Okay.
Guys, what y'all said? They were saying to us. Mommy, do close.
Okay, they want to use blue. All right. So if you do not have food coloring, that's fine. You're still gonna make an amazing slime.
Or y'all can make some. Or y'all can get.
Okay, put it in there.
Get some new coloring.
Put it in there. Okay, be careful.
How many drops?
Just 2 drops.
2 drops. I won't do it. I promise.
Just don't squeeze it. Just pour. 1. Okay, now squeeze. 2. Good job, Jada. That was really good.
Mommy, can I have more?
Now what are we gonna do?
Mommy didn't ask us a lot.
Okay, now what do we do? We have to what?
Stir!
We have to stir.
Pop.
Good job.
Let's pop the bubbles.
Okay, stir, stir, stir.
I
want to use yellow too.
Oh, put some in here. Mommy, either favorite color, but we don't have those.
Okay, keep stirring. Yeah, it's okay.
Mommy, your favorite color is yellow?
My favorite color is pink.
Pink? But we don't have no pink.
We could have made pink. All right. So, oh, look. What color is that? Looks kind of like green. Don't touch it.
Green.
All right. So now we need to take our mousse. All right.
Boom, 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 boom. I hope. Mommy's red coming.
All right. So now we need our mousse or shaving cream. Can you pour in our mousse?
You could call it shaving cream.
No, look. Use this one. Squeeze it. Squeeze.
Oh! Guys, look, it's fun. Look, guys, it's fun. It's not spill out. I promise lava will come too.
Okay, let's
Oh,
see.
it smells weird.
All right, so now we're going to stir.
I don't want to eat that.
Hope you didn't use too much shaving cream.
Guys, look
All
at
right.
it.
She put like a little bit too much, so that's okay. We can fix it. So you're just gonna keep stirring, stirring, stirring. So just put a little shaving cream.
Mommy, a book on our camera. Camera. So
All right. So now we're gonna take a little bit of baking soda.
Oh, let me do it.
I'll put it in there, babe. Hold on. Okay. Now.
Book, get away from my big camera. It will hit you. Mommy, what color is that?
Oh, it's a different color.
Mom, what's that?
Our solution.
I'll try that one. Guys,
all right, so that is how you make slime. Okay, once you're done, you can put it in a container. See? No sticky. All done. Okay, friends, so first we're going to take our flour.
I like flour.
Jada, you want to take a spoon of this?
Yeah.
A spoon? Oh.
Oopsie.
It's okay.
Let's put it in. Do we have to put it in the bowl?
Yeah, I'll put it in there. So if it gets too messy, friends, just go ahead and mom or dad, you can help.
Ah!
Okay. So we're going to start with just a little. Don't eat it. Just a little, okay? Then now.
I thought it tastes good.
So now.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay, so now you're going to put in your.
Water? Yeah.
Okay, pour just a little.
Okay. I'm gonna pour a little.
That's enough.
Oopsie.
All right. So now.
Oopsie. I spilled it.
It's okay. We're going to
It's okay. It will clean it.
stir
Clean,
in.
clean, 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 clean.
I should use another bowl. Okay, put some more water.
You put some more water?
Mm-hmm.
Stop. Phew, I keep spilling it.
Okay.
It's okay. It's drying up.
So it should look like this. A little clumpy, which is normal.
Now it's time for, I want to put some more.
Now, wait. Oh, you ready to put the food coloring in now? Okay.
I'm gonna put this color and that color. First, I'm gonna put this color.
Well, tell them what color you're choosing.
I'm gonna choose this color, and Mommy's gonna choose this color.
What color is that?
Green
No,
and blue.
that's blue. Okay, put blue in there.
Blue. I draw.
Just one. Just squirt up. There you go.
Mommy, look, we need some more.
That's enough. See, now it's blue. Wow, it turned to blue, friends.
And then we need green.
Okay, so now, Jada, we have to put some in our hands.
Oopsie.
You gonna help me? Okay. No more flour. No more flour. You're gonna put it in your hands. Hold on.
What's that?
Hey, friends.
What you making?
You're gonna make some slime.
This is slime?
Yeah, but you gotta knead it together.
Mommy! Help me!
Okay.
Help me! It's sticking on my hands.
Friends, make sure that you have enough flour, okay? Or else your hands are gonna look like Jada's. Jada, show them your hands. Okay, so once you get it in your hands, then you're going to make sure. Kind of gonna start to feel like Play-Doh, but it's not gonna be Play-Doh, friends. Okay.
It's slimy.
Okay. What is it?
Oil.
Oil. You take our oil and just put a little bit on your Play-Doh.
That's not. Oh, we making Play-Doh
On your slime.
and slime.
Thank you for the correction, Jada. All right, so.
Mommy, I promise though that don't get on your hands. Ew. Then I want to play with it for a minute. Then y'all can play with that, and then we can play with both.
Say bye.
No, don't say bye. We won't.
Say bye.
No.
Bye, friends. Thank you for joining. Bye.